One concept which has been thrown around in connection with BIM is the LOD, the level of details. Now, for some of you, this might be already familiar, but can we talk about how we manage them in ARCHLine?
I think for this, I will return back to our original model, and I would like to show and represent that on that model. So about the LODs, the level of details for certain things can be managed in certain ways, which, for example, for the walls, you have the fine, the coarse, and the detailed representation type. For that, I will create a multi-layered wall because I don't have any here. And this was just a concept drawing. So I go to building wall and I select, for example, a brick-covered insulated wall.
He just picks one from the styles, so that.
I will discuss the styles pretty soon. So this is a multi-layered wall. So if I'm representing this in 3D, I will see that this has all the layers, all the details, just as it was created with all the connection details and so on. So when I go and change this in a specific way, let me just zoom in so we will see changes. So when I change this in a way, I can do, for example, here in the case of the edit tools of wall, there is the wall fill pattern. I can set up the wall representation to coarse, medium, or fine. If I just go to the lowest possible representation, then the software recalculates this model to represent it with the simplest possible way, like it's represented here.
Both in 2D and 3D as well.
Yes. And if I do this same thing the other way around, I go to the fine representation, then the software regenerates the 3D and it also regenerates the 2D according to that setting. One another thing is about the windows. Now we have nice detailed doors and windows here, but again, for the doors and windows, you will find an option either here or here, which is called the opening scale. Now I have these openings in a way, they are represented now, they are 1 to 50, but if I would like to change it to a simpler representation, I can just do that by simply changing this option, refreshing the drawing, and then I can see a simpler representation, which is good for conceptuals and things like that. But if I would like to go back and change this to something detailed, then I do this the other way around. I just change it to this one, and then the software regenerates the 2D according to this current scaling. So these are tools how you can change the representation, the level of detail for the representation of items for the walls and windows.